Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. I'm having a pretty good day today. I received my IHERB parcel. It's not as light as I pretended it to be in my thumbnail. It's quite heavy actually. So I just received it today. It came to my home early and I'm not sad about it. So I wanted to open it because it has some essentials that I would really want to use, and also some of my baby's essentials, and the most interesting part, it has a bunch of cosmetics, makeup items inside. So I'm pretty excited to show you all and film this haul for you. And also we will be talking about taxes and shipment on IHERB because it's sort of, a little bit complicated area. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Give this video a big fat thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already. And now let's just put this camera onto an angle that you can see me unbox this package, and yes, let's just dive into it. Okay, so this is the best I can do for you. Surprisingly, it's pretty cloudy outside and I have no sunlight whatsoever. So yeah, this is what we are dealing with. This is what we are going to do, and I'm going to show you each and every product out of the box, don't worry. So yeah, this is the parcel, and right off the back I can say okay, this looks like a much better parcel from IHERB this time. I actually filmed one haul I think a couple of months back. At that time it was like a pretty heartbreaking kind of a thing that happened with me. If you missed it, I'm going to link it down below also. In that I also discuss shipment and taxes and everything. We are going to also discuss it in today's video, but this is what the parcel is, and let me first just open it. This is going to be a fun haul, I guess. Okay, so the first thing I bought is the Vanny Cream Gentle Cleanser, and since IHERB don't have CeraVe now, so this is the next best thing that you can get apparently to CeraVe at a much cheaper price. The next thing that I can see is the Sheer Moisture Mango and Carrot Kids Extra Nourishing Shampoo, fragrance free and free of all the harsh chemicals. I always talk about products that are free from fragrance and harsh chemicals, and I actually did an entire video on non-toxic chemical free baby products and how you can read the labels and stuff. I'm going to link that down and above for you if you're interested, because I think that everybody should be pretty cautious when it comes to kids, especially because their skin is pretty gentle and soft, and we're not going into depth in this video. This is just a haul. So the other thing that I bought, and this is basically the one thing that I wanted to buy that I based this entire order off. This is the Aquaphor Cleansing Baby Wash and Shampoo. So I wanted a baby wash, and again this is 750 ml. This is a huge bottle. I wanted something to last me for as long as possible, and again this was at a really good price. I cannot believe the price of it. Again, I'm going to give you details in the description box if not on the screen. So yes, I bought it. This is fragrance free of all harsh chemicals. Really good baby wash. The next thing that I bought is again a baby item. I'm a mother now. That's what my priorities are. This one is the Eucerin Baby Delicate and Sensitive Skin Lotion. Again, baby lotion, very important. Everything hypoallergenic, pro vitamin B5 and blah blah blah. So yes, really good brand and a really good product for kids. So now comes the fun part actually. So the first thing that I bought for myself is a powder blush palette in the shade Light. So this one is the e.l.f. palette. I personally really like the brand e.l.f. because I think that it's really good quality also. Like, it's not just because they are cheap they give you bad quality products. The quality is also really good, the prices are good, and they have a lot of things. The next thing that I bought is a lip gloss from e.l.f. again, because I used to use a lip gloss when I was a teen. Every teenager uses a lip gloss, and then I saw this, it was I guess on a sale or something, and I was like, you know what, fine, let's just throw it into the box. The next thing that I bought is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is a concealer that everybody talks about. It's one of the most hyped products from e.l.f. and I wanted to try this. I wanted to see for myself how well it works, and again I was out of concealer, so I needed a concealer. I just hope that this shade matches me. The next thing that I bought is the e.l.f. HD powder, and if you are following me and if you saw any of my makeup video earlier, you might know that I don't use a face powder at all. But I wanted to give it a try. So I heard good things about this one, so I said okay fine, let's just give it a try. And this is turning out to be a e.l.f. haul basically, because the next thing I have is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I've never used a CC cream. This is my first ever CC cream. Let's just hope that the shade matches me. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. Okay, so for shipment and taxes, IHERB works in a way that if you live in a country where they have a warehouse, the taxes and the shipment is obviously going to be very, very low. And in USA and in Japan where they have a warehouse, I think they don't charge any shipping charges whatsoever. But if you're ordering from any other country, for example, I ordered from here in Oman, so I did paid for customs and shipping and all of those things. So how it works is basically that IHERB works by weight, and if you are in a certain weight limit, you can get your shipment from your local post or any local service, which is pretty cheap also. Like they do take longer to deliver, but the prices are pretty cheap. Like I chose this from the Asiyat Express, and they delivered within I guess 4 days, 5 days, which is pretty quick. And the same parcel, if I would have ordered from DHL Express, it would have charged me double or triple the price, but it would have delivered me within 2 to 3 days. Before purchasing or before actually confirming the order, IHERB clearly tells you everything, what is the shipment charges, what are the customs, what are the taxes, and everything is shown on you right in front of your eyes. So nothing is hidden, nothing is there that you might not know of. Sometimes it happens, okay, they tell you that at the time of collection they're going to charge you maybe like this amount or that amount, but again, if they do that, they also tell you at the time of you placing the order. So shipment and tax and customs, everything is usually prepaid. You just pay it in the order, it's by weight. And you can again you look into your cart, and sometimes it happens that the shipment comes really high, so you just need to switch back in and look into the discount codes which are widely available online for IHERB, and you can just apply them and you can get a pretty good deal on all the products. So I used my discount code from the last purchase that I did from IHERB, and it gave me around 5 or I think 10% off onto my entire discount, which is again a cherry on the top. So overall I think the price is pretty good for all the products, and the availability and the delivery and everything was pretty smooth this time. I have no complaints whatsoever. So if you're interested in me doing any reviews of any of these products, if you are curious about any product and you want me to talk about any of these products in detail, do let me know in the comments down below. I might do a review on the product. And yeah, that is it for today. If you want to watch any other related video, any other skincare review, or any other motherhood related video which I do on my channel, click on any other video that is up on my screen. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me at masoomanalife@gmail.com. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.